Welcome to Phone Transformer, your guide to mastering your Android device. Today, we're diving into how to turn on the hide notch mode on your Android phone. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. Let's get started with the step-by-step. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Settings app. This is where you can adjust all the settings for your device. Step 2. Next, scroll down through the list of options until you find Notifications and Control Center. Once you see it, tap on it to open the Notifications and Control Center settings. Step 3. Now, scroll down again until you see the status bar option and tap on it. Step 4. Next, click on the Hide Notch option on the screen. Step 5. You will see two options: Don't hide and Hide without moving status bar. Step 6. Finally, tap on the Hide without moving status bar option. This will hide the notch on your phone without affecting the status bar's position. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on the hide notch mode on your Android phone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.